Now, we are multiplying cube of binomial. First, cube the first term. Second, 3 times the product. Square the first term. 1 the second term. Third, 3 times the product. 1 the first term. Square the second term. And the last, cube the second term. Now, we are multiplying it. W cube negative 4 times 3 equals negative 12, and put the W square. Next, negative 4 times negative 4 equals positive 16, and positive 16 times 3 equals positive 48, and put the W. The last one, multiply it by 3. Negative 4 times negative 4 times negative 4 equals negative 64. And this is the final answer.